Okay, Mr. Train Driver. Mr. Train Driver. Mr. Train Driver, I've got a basket full of food and I need it taken over on your train all the way over to Cookie Monster. Oh no. What happened to the basket of food? We're going to have to load it up on the train. Right, drive it over to Cookie Monster. And load it off for Cookie Monster. What are you putting a cookie on? What other fruit and veg? On another cookie. Do you think Cookie Monster will like the cookies or the oranges better? What else are you loading up on the train? Drop it off for Cookie Monster. Take it, unload the load. Oh no, you dropped an orange. Need a bit of help reattaching it. Oh, okay. Now take it over and drop it off for Cookie Monster. Oh, bit of a detour. Load up your train for Cookie Monster. Load it up and take it over. You got the cookies. Oh no, what happened? There's Cookie Monster. Dropping his cookies. Oh, he is a monster, isn't he? Okay, load up the rest. Load up all the vegetables. There's even a sausage. Got some help loading it up? Get some bananas. Load up the bananas. What about some broccolini? Does Cookie Monster eat broccolini? Your train. Oh, what happened? You're going to take the train over to Cookie Monster. Oh no. Oh, you're eating Cookie Monster's eyes. Oh no.